another video. Where is the thing?
Psychologist.
Alright, so we're back on another video. We're here with our boy, Raiden. I mean, Flanders.
What?
I just forgot. Alright.
Bro, you're speaking. Bro, I'm lagging.
I think this.
Oh, I am actually McDonald's owner.
I think the TS will be cringe.
Oh my. Alright, let's go, bro. I'm McDonald's wiper.
I think
Bro, why is everybody naked?
Bro, just join me. Just join me.
Bro, I don't see you. Why is everybody naked?
I'm here. I'm here.
You're naked, bro. Nah, put some clothes on then, bro.
I'm not naked. I am actually not naked.
Bro, you're actually naked in my screen right now. Chat, did you see that?
Chat, you're not naked here.
Bro, you're actually naked.
Chat, I'm not naked.
Bro, it's naked, chat.
Chat, I am.
Saibaw, bro, saibaw.
I am lagging. I am lagging. So someone just joined us for no absolute reason.
Bro,
Alright, I was lagging.
where are you? You're invisible. Okay, I'm starting my shift. Second face.
Bro, what is this? I'm just in the black screen right now.
Bro. Bro, what? Oh, it's a baddie. It's
You
a
will
baddie
see
nurse.
after I post this.
Oh yeah, it's a baddie nurse.
Bro, I have a black screen.
Nurse. Oh yeah. Did you put
Finally.
some protection on?
Finally.
You put some protection on? I'm just
Alright. I'm gonna go.
Bro, just go. Ano? Wait lang. Wait, bro. What am I? Go to room 1. I think he's gonna be on room 1.
Right, so we're just doing. Yes, he left. Take bunch. Okay, take bunch. Finish the follow the patient to the room.
Room 1, yeah, room 1. Go to room 1.
Yo, this look like an anomaly. The TS look like anomaly.
Bro, are you judging my confidence?
TS looks like anomaly.
So treat that patient, clap that patient, get your room ready, bro.
No, actually, it look like anomaly.
Let me take a picture of you. This you, okay. Yeah. Bad.
Herbs,
Your bad.
how are you?
Room 2, room 2. Room 2, brother. Go to your room, bro. Room 2. Bro. Don't mind the background, everybody. We're just lag. I mean, not lagging. Don't mind the background. We have no setup yet. Okay. Sorry. Nabasa ka sa Sorry guys, AFK, don't mind the background because we don't have setup with yet.
I drop you. Dude, you look like an anomaly.
Oh yeah, treat the patient. Treat the patient, buddy.
Dude, I'm actually lagging. Dude, you look like an anomaly. Where are you? Where are you?
Bro, I'm not an anomaly. You're an anomaly, bro. You're a pink-haired girl with a freaking white hat.
Dude, let me see your face. Dude, you look like a freaking anomaly.
Bro, You look like a rat, bro.
Jean, you look like an anomaly.
Bro, you're a furry. How come motherfucker defend your motherfucker's brother?
Right. Alright, so
Bro, we should get our own setup. Bro, you want to get your own setup? Yes, sir. Excellent. You see that? Only $5. No, I want $100 bill. I am Amir. Bro! Oh yeah, you're the best.
bro, I'm actually lagging.
I want $100 bill. I want $100 bill, bro. Bro!
Wag.
Yes, I know, bro. Why is your head turning? Why is your head like?
Out of service.
Yeah, out of service, buddies. That's why.
You're an anomaly.
Well, I'm not an anomaly. You're a furry.
Right, you serve that guy. Service that guy.
Furry!
I swear I can't do number 8 in this. I can't do number 8.
Nah, furry head girl, bro.
Right. Which service that girl?
It will be.
Good boy.
It will be in room.
2. Right, room 2,
Yeah,
room 2. Okay, I will open that.
Oh, why did you scream?
I saw a stalker, bro. I saw a stalker.
Bro!
I actually.
It's your head right now. I didn't saw anything. Oh shit! Bro,
Don't look up.
bro, give him some eye drop.
Bro, okay. Take some sanity, bro. Take some sanity. You do it.
Oh, yeah, okay, you can look up. I gave the guy some I gave the guy some. I'm gonna give some. Oh, look up. Actually, I gave him an eye drop. So
That looks like a fudging
let me expect this guy. Okay, you look like a beautiful
Maple.
girl. Can you marry me right now? I'm just joking. Bro, I have no.
Wait, no.
I have no girls right now. Slider. I have no girls.
Maple apple. Maple syrup. Ayan na, heal ka na.
He will be in room 5. Oh,
I'm actually the best. I'm actually the goat. the meat
buddy,
real?
why don't you have no eyes? Buddy, why
Bro,
is
close
your,
that thing,
bro,
close
why is
that
your head bending? Can I buy a gun? Then leave. Oh! Another one! Another with no eyes again! Bro, go to room 5! Unite! No. Apple. Go to room 5. The patient.
I'm a good boy, right? I'm a good boy.
Boy, you ain't a good boy. You're a bad boy. Just like the others.
I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy.
Okay, you're a patient. Okay. Give me your
Medkit.
Oh, take a photo. Well, let me see your face.
Alright.
Ooh, shut up. Bro, actually,
When am I?
we'll be in room 2. Buddy, we'll be in room 2.
Bro, yeah, I know.
2, buddy.
I know. Hello? Hello, I monster. Why do you keep following me, I monster?
Oh, another eye drop. Okay, I'll take some eye drop. Alright.
Thermal.
I'm jumping like a
Oh my god.
oh yeah.
I'm actually so laggy.
Yeah. God damn. Bro,
You know what? I'm gonna do that.
so why did I fall? Bro, actually stop breaking my chair.
I am lagging.
Bro, sit here so you're not loud. Sit here. That's a good boy.
Yes, I'm a good boy.
Really, please.
I'm a good boy, bro. I'm a good boy.
Oh yeah. Open the. Oh yeah. They opened the surgery. What can we buy?
I don't have anything.
I don't have anything. I cannot afford anything. I'm broke right now.
I think you're gonna be in the one. Me.
Bro, because I'm not treating the patient. You're treating the patient.
Yes, I can buy a taser.
Put it
Taser
here.
bot.
Put it here. Let it charge. Oh man. Bro, why did you use it?
Dude, I'm testing it out. Right, you
Bro,
can
I
have
swear
this.
if you taser that guy, I swear if you taser that guy, I'll kill you. I swear, bro, I swear.
I'm just kidding. Please stop trash talking me.
In your room.
Why room 8? No, why?
Let me do it. I am a fast guy. Let me do it.
Why room 8? Why vomit as well?
Bro, what the? Bro, close that immediately, bro. Look at that. Look, bro. I'll do the surgery, bro.